When doing mantra work on the 7 main chakras, you can start with 1 rep per chakra per session. And then every day, or a day of your choosing, you can raise the reps of vibrations that you vibrate per chakra by 1, or how much you feel is necessary for you. Reaching 9 is a good goal to have because the number 9 is the number of completion. The effects that the number 9 has on these type of practices is a stabilizing effect that actually amplifies the energy that you are accumulating. I will recite mantras for the chakras, from the base chakra to the crown chakra. This is a Sumerian type of meditation. The mantras exist in the Sumerian language. The G sound is vibrated in the back of the throat, like you're saying G, but it's like the K sound is also vibrated in the back of the throat, like you're hacking, like and the B sound is vibrated like a V, but with your lips together. So it's like a bee sound, like a buzzing bee. When reciting these mantras, focus the sound on the corresponding chakra, as well as the corresponding color. Breathe the color into the chakra. The 6th chakra's color is indigo. After working on every chakra, you can say something like, "My root chakra is completely empowered, healed, and protected, now in a positive way for me." You can also say, "I am completely balancing my chakras now in a positive way for me," before starting the session. You can tune the 3rd eye chakra with Some of the god names in mythology are mantras to empower the soul. A lot of mythological stories were allegory for alchemy